You'd never know from the outside of the dusty old P&E livestock barns that inside an incredible vision is literally taking shape.
We actually have equipment alcoves, so we can tuck equipment away into a spot that is sized for it and actually have it out of the hallways, bring it into a patient room when we need to.
In 2 years, when the new Teck Acute Care Centre at BC Children's Hospital admits its first patients, this is how it will look. And the end result has been years of planning and consultation with patients and their families at the forefront. All rooms are bigger and brighter with natural light, and they're private, even in the neonatal and pediatric intensive care units.
My son was very sensitive to other babies crying, and especially at night when he was trying to sleep. That was really, and I just think, oh, to be able to close a door and not hear those other babies crying, not to hear all those beeps.
Aside from the grand design, it's a lot of those small things which are going to be huge for patients and their caregivers. There are pass-throughs for supplies and dirty linens or food trays. Between every room, nurses and staff will have observation areas with clear views of their patients when necessary.
So we're avoiding unnecessary entry-exit through the room, unnecessary disturbances.
And we'll take you now into what one of those typical operating rooms will look like.
This has also been an opportunity to test out things you just can't visualize on paper, such as lighting. These are the actual lights that will be in the ORs with a new option.
The green light actually helps with the contrast of blood and can actually facilitate things for the surgeons performing the procedures.
So you're not distracted by the redness of the blood?
Exactly.
This is, of course, all temporary, which means the next time we get a look inside, it will be the real thing. And soon there'll be a whole new generation of patients and families who won't know just how much work went on behind the scenes, which is the whole point.
Hopefully they'll just say, wow, that was, a really great experience and in a really stressful time.
Elaine Yong, Global News.